Okay, so first I'm going to do a PA for today, thinking on mistakes. First PA is for uh, Audusd Buy in Asian session. You can see that this area has been ranging for quite some time. So overall it's a downtrend in a higher time frame, but it's stair stepping. Come out here. This track came down here, so that there are trap sellers over here. You come out here, they try, release and try. Okay, not think about it. They should have trap sellers because buy come down strong, all the buyers here are trapped. So doing the FOMC, first of all I'm thinking of selling here. This sell is okay. Came down, fail. Yeah, it came down here, I sold here, aiming for here. It failed, take out. This sell is okay, I'll say, because this buying the underside, they release, downtrend, came back down, downtrend, okay, came back up here. Then I tried to over here 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, push up, then it came back down here again to this level. Here the main thing is this area here has high volume, so because of FOMC meeting, this high volume it push up, low volume came out back down here, but it's still okay. So if I still sell here, this level is they tried, then here another time they tried again, back to this level, and it's in a range. So in the afternoon, European is a holiday, so that there shouldn't have any activities, and I tried to sell a lot of time during this timing, which causes me to lose a lot of hours, like 5 hours. Then in the end I had to use double down, triple down all in to get back my loss, which is a very bad trade. I would say it's a very bad. So what's the main thing moving forward is that first of all I have to think about my location, because not always that it will be a home run trade. And my timing wise, now think about it, the timing that usually trade is 9 a.m. in the morning Asian timing, and European timing I haven't really grasped the timing. Is like not really like smooth, but for US New York is usually 10 p.m. New York time is usually the time where the big boys will come back. But if 10 p.m. fails, really somehow you can just ignore and go to sleep and try again next day 9 a.m. That's usually how it works. That's for the majority of the case, but once in a while there's a minority that people just sell at random timing. So as you can see that it ranges so much, so volume over here, every USD pair is lining up to break towards upside in the morning, 8 o'clock over here. So you can see that it's always the same pattern. It's like, first of all you will try to take up, so 8 o'clock it pushes up, came back down strong, 9 o'clock go up, same pattern. Like even for USD, pound USD today also same thing. First it go up, 9 o'clock came back down, then 8 o'clock go up, then come back down, 9 o'clock push up, 10 o'clock smash the whole thing down. That's usually how they usually kill the bull, then let you enter and go down, then you scared, then they finally launch in the direction. That's the one thing. So this trade is okay. This trade is because we seen enough. Like here, this guy tries again, he fail. Come back, this guy tries again, he fail. But the sell I did here is like really very bad. First of all, it became a range. So how do you know it became a range? 1, 2, here might be a range. Yeah. Channel, I would say channel. Then over here it broke up. Broke to the upside. Okay, then over here it broke to upside. I just sold it here. Once can hold. I think it's fine. This trade is fine. First of all, I have no idea which area to target. Oh, it broke up here. Maybe you can target up. Level for higher, but it's okay since it's the underside of the underside, which I don't really like to sell. So it's fine. This trade is. This one is okay. This one is okay. Those in middle is a very bad trade. Why is it a bad trade? First of all, it's in a money spot. I think it's okay to buy money spot. It's in a channel or range. You buy at the top itself, or buy at the bottom, which I did after I double down. But the thing about this is that I always like lose 2 trades. Always like lose 2 or 3 trades, then I try to double down to recover, which is very bad. I have experienced this in the future trading. I shouldn't do this. Now I'm feeling emotions of the trade. So humans an emotional trade, I need to unpack and forgive myself for doing all this and learn not to do this anymore. So and learn not to do this anymore. That's the only thing I want to solve it, because I actually overtrade too much. So in terms of broker fee, actually it became like 25% of my profit. It's like crazily a lot. There's really not much to. Shouldn't be that high. I would say it shouldn't be that high. Really too much. And that's a huge problem right now. It's 25%, double down 25%. Looting, overtrading. All overtrading. The second habit is cannot be cannot take a loss. So in other words, I do a PA on a location. The first trade underside first try is okay, came at fail, came back up with high volume, step aside, go up, high volume, so we have to take note of that level over there. When we sell on top for the release, can take it to that level, fail again, go back up, then I keep trying to sell that, which is a very big problem. But after a while we see that the sellers are able to take it down. We actually can turn to the buy the low, put the stop loss below, let it run. Let it run. That's one thing. Okay, that's for Aussie USD.